Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know after how many years. Welcome to today's vlog. Here I am in Vrindavan. I'm going to take you guys around Vrindavan, try to show you as much as possible. Going to the ISKCON temple. It's the Sri Krishna Balram temple as far as I know, and we're going to explore the city, have some food, do some shopping. I hope you guys like this video. We are staying here in the Sanskar city. We booked an Airbnb here. So we are here for 2-3 days. So we got it at a really good price, and it's a cute 1-hour cave. You can see the beautiful sunset behind me. I just hope I reach there before the Aarti time. Finally got my cab. The Aarti is at 6:30 and I'm here stuck in the traffic. I don't know, it's too crowded. I know it's a touristy place, there's no way around it. I hope I get there before the Aarti, which is at 6:30. There's another one at 7:30, but I don't know, I really wanted to go to the 6:30 one. I heard that there is a lot of music and they really do a great Aarti at 6:30, so I really want to reach there by that time. I hope I get there. So finally I got a minute here. There are people dancing, there are people singing for hours. Like I have been sitting here from 2 hours. If you see why I'm looking like this, like there are people outside the temple who will just come and put it. People are singing, dancing, there's so much music, and the god, like there's nobody to tell you like to leave, like you know, in front of the god. Like in other temples where you get like just maybe 2 seconds in front of the god, but here you can stay for however long you want. You can see the god like however many times you want, and you can just sing, dance, you can just stay there. There are people making chandan, there are people just chanting Hare Ram, and it's so beautiful, it's so beautiful. I've never seen something so beautiful like this before. Community doing something so good, so special, like I don't know, maybe I'm not able to put it in the right words, but it's beautiful, it's so beautiful, and I've never experienced something like this before. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of our Mathura Vrindavan vlog. It's 8 in the morning. We're going to the main Bake Bihari temple. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Let's go. And we're also going to taste some great food today. Yesterday I could not show you too much food because it was way too crowded. There was just traffic jam of 3 kilometers and I had to literally walk back because there was no like proper facility. I mean there was facility, but everything was stuck. There was just traffic for 3-4 kilometers. That's why I just got the food parceled and I didn't like do like a proper vlog or like sit there and eat. But today we'll try and do that, have breakfast outside. Hope it's gonna be as good as it was yesterday, and we get to eat something One thing that I've noticed here is the cow's size. Like the cows here in Vrindavan are so huge and beautiful. Like they're humpy बोलते हैं ना cows का भी. The hump is so big. They're just so beautiful. Like I have not seen such big cows like ever in my life. Like Hyderabad में तो cows थोड़ी पतली होती है. And after coming to Delhi, I saw that they're a little bigger, but here in Vrindavan, it's just like more bigger and like such beautiful cows, yeah, like everywhere. I'll try to take as many like videos as possible and show you guys like such big cows. दर्शन हो गया है बहुत अच्छे से, so good. अभी हम लोग खाने आए हैं, so as soon as you come out of the temple, you will find a lot of restaurants where you can eat. So we have ordered samosa, kachori, and puri sabzi, and I think we're also going to have kesar milk. So let's see, but let's dig in.
It's good.
ये बहुत ही फेक था.
It's good.
It's good. Is it different than what we have in
It's way
Delhi?
different. It's way different. But then it is good because we are having it with the curry.
So everything we had was around 170 rupees. My favorite was this dal ki puri and kaddu ki sabzi.
बेडमी पूरी.
हाँ हाँ.
बेडमी.
बेडमी पूरी and kaddu ki sabzi. दाल की पूरी नहीं है. Okay, bedmi puri and kaddu ki sabzi is my favorite. Don't expect too much hygiene from here, but the food is great. But it's already too heavy, so we're skipping the kesar milk. 10 in the morning, we're done with the darshan, we're done with having our breakfast. It was so good. I could not vlog much because इतने सारे बंदर हैं यहाँ पे, and you can't even like take out your phone. Like every time you take out your phone, somebody is like, "मैम यहाँ पे phone मत use करो." Shit. And I could not even wear my specs because everybody is just like you can't use your phone, you can't use your specs because बंदर आके लेके जाएंगे. और बहुत सारे बंदर हैं, बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे से हैं, but then very scary. So I did not vlog much or nor specs when I just went in front of the god, like inside the temple. That's the only time I wore my specs. Otherwise everything was a blur for me. Probably everything that I just vlogged, only that I can see in clear thing, you know. Otherwise it's just a blur for me. We couldn't even take one single picture because we were so scared कि कोई बंदर आके phone लेके चले जाएगा. So now we're going to have some sweets. There is this famous sweet shop called Brijwasi here. तो हम लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं to try different pedas. मथुरा आके वृंदावन आके पेड़ा नहीं खाया तो क्या किया? So we're going to go have some peda and other sweets which Prakash is very excited for. So took some scented sticks for everybody in the family, which is great. इतना like the whole streets of Vrindavan and Mathura have a smell, right? Took some of those for everybody. So yeah, let's go and have some sweets. That's the ISKCON temple I came yesterday. Guys, change in plan. We're not going to Brijwasi because we didn't get the parking. So now we're going to Hira Sweets. Hopefully we get parking there and we can taste something. Guys, that is Prem Mandir. We'll come here tomorrow. देखिए इस आदमी को जो वृंदावन आके इडली सांभर खा रहा है. Who is the South Indian in us? चटनी अच्छा है कि सांभर?
Try with this, try with that.
ये try
No, don't try this. Try with this.
अरे मेरे को पसंद नहीं है टमाटर की चटनी. This is not the right idli. This is not idli. Sambar is no doubt nice, but the idli is not really. I've ordered rasmalai and Rajbhog and lime soda. It's so hot in here, guys. It's so hot. It's so hot. The rasmalai is here. I was recording, but I didn't press the on button. So good. So good. So good. Cinematic shots I tried. Melts in your mouth, dude. So good. Guys, guys, remember I told you we're staying at an Airbnb. So this Airbnb owner is so sweet, and obviously this is like an additional charge thing, but they sent us home cooked meals. We have an option to order lunch or dinner, but we need to tell like 1.5 hours before, and they cooked meal for us and sent it. I'm gonna show you guys. I have salad, mixed veg. I asked for plain curd, but we also have bundi raita, pickle, there's plain rice, there's dal tadka, and roti. Hi guys, I'm full glam today, full Gopi Bahu mode, because I'm gonna go meet some relatives here. So once that's done, we hopefully will go to the Aarti at Keshi Ghat, but that's still a suspense, like are we going or not, if we're gonna make it on time or not, because the boats apparently get filled from 5 o'clock only, but only if you reach at 5 o'clock, you will be able to get the boat that will go in front of the Aarti. So you can be in the water and see the Aarti, which is going to be beautiful. Let's see if we're going to be able to see the Aarti, at least by standing, if not the boat. So I'll see you guys once the family thing is done. Bye guys. That goes from the Yamuna river, and we are going from a small ghat to Keshi Ghat, जहाँ पे main आरती होता है. So yeah, let's go. It's a small 15 minutes ride, but we took the ride so that we can see the आरती there. So that's going to be interesting. I'll show you guys around.
राक्षस का उसका वध किया था। यहाँ पे जो कृष्ण भगवान ने इसका राक्षस का वध किया था वो केसी राक्षस था, जो अश्विन घोड़े जैसा दानव था, बैल था वो, मतलब यहाँ पे उसको केस पकड़े बचाना था, अब उसका वध किया था, इसलिए घाट का नाम केसी घाट है।
यहाँ पे आरती शुरू होने वाली है एंड वी आर ऑन टाइम, सो लेट्स गो। So right now, you guys won't believe, we are in the middle of the river. Like there is a patch in middle of the river, and here where we are standing, and you can see there's just water on the left, there's water on the right, and there's the sun. Oh, where was the sun? Okay, you can see the moon here, and then we are here and we are waiting for the aarti that's going to happen here, and we're right in front where we can see boat is parked here. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
We're in the middle of the river, like literally. Guys, the worst thing happened with me yesterday. I broke my spec and right now I'm not able to see the aarti clearly. That's why I had to put on like the broken specs to just see the aarti. पागल लग रही हूँ मैं। ऑन तो करना ठीक है। कैसे लग रही है?
मेरे से ज्यादा बुलवा मत, आई कैन बी ऑन द कैमरा गाइस। जल्दी करो, पेट्रोल फूक रहा है।
अच्छा। Hi guys, so this is the end of our trip to Vrindavan and Mathura. Right now we've started from Vrindavan. I've covered all the places that we need to visit except for Prem Mandir because
we'll come next time.
Yeah, I felt sick and we could not go. Like we were supposed to go today. We have some tips for people who are going to Vrindavan, Mathura. Give some tip.
What tip? Sure.
Give anything that you would suggest. कुछ तो बता दो.
Like.
My first tip would be, if you're somebody who has sight and cannot function without your specs, do not carry your specs. Just get your lenses because there are a lot of monkeys and all that issues, and you cannot wear your specs when you're walking on the streets. Even when you are in the mandir ke premises also, they will suggest you to not carry your specs. That's the mistake I did, and I broke my specs and all that. Ki nikalo pehno, gir gaya, utaro, all that thing. I broke my specs, and you saw me in the aarti ka thing कि मैं अच्छा टूटा हुआ चश्मा पहन के देख रही थी because I was not able to see.
And in fact, don't use your phones.
Don't use your phones. Carry, you know, if you, I mean, you need to take your phones, but then make sure you're putting them in the bags because there are people जिनके phones बंदर लेके भाग गए, जिनका handbag लेके भाग गए. So that's all a mess. Carry cash, obviously, because especially when you take the auto rides or rickshaw rides, they don't take Google Pay here. So just take carry cash. Don't wear specs. Take care of your mobile. And if you are going for any darshan in any temple, please go in the morning.
As early as possible.
As early as possible. Like if you can get up at 5 and go by 6, great. There are no lines. It's not as crowded as it is in like after 9 o'clock.
No,
So
go at least by 7:38 maximum.
7:38 max because after 9 o'clock it's fully packed. So do that. If you are going for darshan by any chance in the evening, do not take your car. Just use public transport because they will make you park your car at least 5 kilometers before the actual temples, and then you need to take an auto and walk. That doesn't make sense because again you need to pay for the parking. The parkings are not so safe. The place where we parked the car and the ghat.
Yesterday, it was 3 kilometers.
अरे कितना दूर था?
It was 3 kilometers. It was 3 kilometers.
I think 5 kilometers. And do take the boat riding. It's great, but they don't give us life jackets.
And one thing is, if you want to take a boat, even if they are asking you pay extra money, do that because it will be your personal boat. And if you give extra money, they will allow you to stay on the boat in the river for more than like 15-20 minutes. Or else it will be completely packed and they will just give a 10 minutes ride or 15 minutes ride maximum, and they will not, you will not be able to stay on the river banks to enjoy the aarti or to see the aarti.
Yeah, you can do that. And carry a mosquito repellent if you're going for the
apply
aarti.
the repellents
Because as soon as you enter the Yamuna bank, it's full of mosquitoes. While you're I think only when we were taking the ride there were no mosquitoes. Other than that, while getting onto the boat, while waiting for the boat, while you wait for the aarti, there are mosquitoes everywhere. So just obviously we can't do anything about that. It's a river. So just put your mosquito repellent, especially if you're going with small kids, to do that because it's very dangerous. If you ask me for recommendation for where to have the best lassi, I would say anywhere.
not that I'm talking about food, not the beverages.
To be honest, wherever you try lassi in Mathura, Vrindavan, it's great. So don't wait. I would say all the places that the food bloggers recommended, they are way too crowded. And they're like it's very difficult to find a place in that somebody suggested. So just go try wherever you are, whichever area you're in, wherever you see a good food spot, just go and try it. They're all great. They are all like very, very good. So do that. That's it. Carry cash, carry contact lenses, put mosquito repellent, and I think otherwise it's all great. Try Ram's Sweets and Savories. Is that the place?
Sweets and Savories.
Ram's Sweets and Savories. Oh my god, we had the best rasgulla of our whole life. It's so good, so good. Like we have tried many sweets in Delhi, guys. Like वहाँ से भी अच्छा रसगुल्ला हमने यहाँ खाया. Prakash like got the best sweet collection of his life. He is like the कि उसको स्वीट्स मिल जाए तो he can live on sweets also. So yeah, try Mathura Peda there. Ram Sweets and Savories. I'll put the location in the.
It's near the ISKCON temple.
It's near the ISKCON temple, and it's fab. So good. The food was good.
The service was really excellent.
Excellent, and the sweets are amazing. So try that, and yeah, that marks the end of our Mathura Vrindavan vlog. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.